of class 10th from Vivekanand Central School, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Today here to speak on the topic boys versus girls. Does that matter? A boy or a girl? What do you want to be? Oh, we don't have any control over that. But does that matter? In this world, today's world, we can say it doesn't matter whether to be a boy or a girl, because although being sold is similar, both are considered to be equal. But is it really true? If somebody were to ask me, I would say yes, it matters. Seems shocking. But it's really the truth that it matters to many people. Male dominance in the household and less care towards women's health, education and employment proves all this. Now many people would say that this happened in earlier times and now we are modern. So this does not happen today. So let's take some modern examples to justify it. There are only 23% working women in India. Women graph in Indian Parliament hardly reaches 11%. If it does not matter whether to be a boy or a girl, then why are there so many families in India where brothers have to go abroad to study and work while sisters have to make do with the local schools? Why? Just for the sake that she has to get married and go away someday? I can't guess who was the person that made the rule that only brides have to leave their home after their marriage. And everybody is following it. Even if this would not have sufficed, now security matter comes onto the stage. Parents fear of their daughter's security whenever she is going out to study. This is a big question mark over the government's face, that Indian daughters have to carry overburden of security which is crushing her wings even before she sets out to fly. So now also will you say that it doesn't matter? Yes, it would not matter. When there will be 50% participation everywhere, from education, business, government, employment, every sector. We girls don't want any reservations. We just want some cooperation, freedom and justice with us so that we all can achieve our goals. Jai Hind. Thank you.